Today I am out here at the beautiful Ventana neighborhood, which is nestled right in between Highway 281 and I-10. So as you know, you can tell by that, the location's fantastic. Stay tuned, we're going to take a look at some of the beautiful homes here. Ventana neighborhood is out here in Spring Branch, Texas, and it sits between 281 and I-10. So the access to any major highway here in the San Antonio area is awesome. You can get there pretty quickly now, especially since the highways have been redone and the traffic is definitely a lot better coming down 281. So this is a great place to be. This neighborhood is special. They have 55-foot lots and they have 70-foot lots, but they designed this neighborhood so that nobody shares a back fence. So it's called a curvilinear subdivision, and it brings you the open spaces that you want. So if that's something that you want, but you still want access to great places like Canyon Lake, New Braunfels, Boulevard, Boerne, Kerrville, San Antonio, if you want to be close to them but have those open spaces, then this could be the neighborhood for you. We're going to take a look. They've got lots of amenities. I'm here at the pool area and the clubhouse, and it's just gorgeous. The houses here, the median price of the houses here run about $550,000. They've got several different builders. They've got Highland Homes, which I've shown you before. They've got Perry Homes, which I've definitely shown you before, and they've got Monticello Homes. So I'm going to just give you a brief rundown of the neighborhood, and I'm going to show you a couple of the homes that are available here in the Ventana neighborhood. Different little areas of this place have opened up, and it is just gorgeous. So Ventana neighborhood, here we come. Here's the clubhouse and the pool area. You can see here, nice and open. Look at the countryside. Isn't that gorgeous? We're gonna go take a look at some of the model homes, but I wanted you to just get an idea. And look at that, there's snow on the ground. If you are wondering what the heck is going on in Texas, why is there snow? We had a little bit of a snow flurry night before last, and doesn't happen too often, but when it does, it's nice. It doesn't stick though, because the sun is shining and it's beautiful. If this is the first time that you've ever been to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and you tap that bell so you get the information first about the San Antonio metropolitan area. My name is Jana Cervantes, and I am a realtor here. I'm with eXp Realty and Cervantes Dream Homes, and I want to make sure that if you're looking to come to the San Antonio area, that you have somebody who knows the entire area. That's me, 51 years of it, and somebody who understands that making a move can sometimes be stressful. And I want to make sure that I'm the one that helps you alleviate that stress. I've got a great mortgage person. I've got a wonderful title company. I have everything that you need to make a well-informed decision on where you want to live in the San Antonio metropolitan area, whether it's Seguin, McQueeney, Garden Ridge, Boerne, Boulevard, Marion, San Antonio, of course. It doesn't matter. I know all of those areas, and I know the education system. So if that's important and you want to find somebody who knows all about the education system, that's me. I did it for 30 years in public education, and so I have lots of knowledge on that as well. Now, having said that, I don't care if you're looking for 3 weeks from now or if you're looking for 9 months from now, fill out a comment, reach out to me, schedule a Zoom call, send me an email, call me on the phone. It doesn't matter. That's one of the things I pride myself in, is my communication skills, and I will never leave you hanging. I will always be there for you. So if that's something that you're looking for and you want somebody to help you get into your dream home, then I'm your girl. All right. So again, my name's Jana Cervantes. Fill out that comment. Let's talk. So here in Ventana, the first home I'm going to show you is a Monticello home. And this home has just under 2,600 square feet. It is a 1-story. It has a 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It is beautiful. Starts at about $560, and then of course goes up with the amenities. So let's take a look at what this home has to offer. So here's the home. You can see the 3-car garage, and it is separate. and the architecture is just beautiful. Love it. So we're gonna make our way up the steps, and I'm gonna be careful because there is ice. Okay, I'm in, I'm safe. Okay, so here's your front door. And we're gonna make our way in here, and you can see that natural light that is in here. It's just gorgeous. Here to the right, I've got a study, 2-door, beautiful. We're gonna come in. Here to the left, we've got our laundry room, cabinets. We've got a mud room right here, and then a hallway closet. Storage is always important. Then we're gonna move here, and you can see I'm getting closer to the main living room, but I'm gonna stay on the left, and I'm gonna show you a full bath. No tub, but definitely a nice walk-in shower, nice high ceilings, really cute bedroom with a little bit of architecture on the ceiling. Very nice. Then we're gonna move here to the right, and we're gonna come right here. We've got another full bath, tub shower combo, single vanity. Hey y'all. I've got a bedroom here, high ceilings, natural light. And then on this side of the bathroom, we've got another bedroom. Pretty good sized bedrooms here and large closets, lots of storage. Very nice. And we're gonna make our way down this hallway, and we're gonna come into the main living area. In the main living area, I'm gonna pan around and let you see this beautiful kitchen, dining room, breakfast area. Look at those windows, those are beautiful. Got a large island / breakfast bar. It's got a huge sink in there. This is a gas community. Very nice cabinets. Walk-in pantry. Very pretty. Then we're gonna move here, and I'm gonna let you see the outside real quick. There is a covered sitting area. It's got plumbed for your gas, for your propane. Beautiful area. Here to the left, we're gonna make our way into our primary suite. Beautiful windows, nice high ceilings. And then we've got a double door entry into this bathroom. Wow, standalone tub. The shower is right behind it, so it's got that see-through pass. We've got one vanity here, toilet area, a nice little sitting area with natural light. And then we have our first of 2 large closets. Yes. And then on the other side, we've got another vanity, lots of space. We have our shower entrance right here. I'm gonna show you that. Just beautiful, look how tall that shower is. And our second walk-in closet. Very pretty. Then we're gonna make our way back out into here. I just want to show you a little bit of the breakfast area with the entrance to the backyard. And again, they have 55-foot lots and 70-foot lots. So this home, just under 2,600 square feet. It is a Monticello and starts at about $560,000. So I'm super excited to show you this next home. I have never shot a Texas home, and I've never really even heard of Texas homes, but I'm telling you what, these homes are gorgeous, and I'm so excited to show you these here in Ventana neighborhood. So let's take a look. This one is a 1-story, about 2,500 square feet, starts high fives. It is just beautiful. So let's go take a look. This is the outdoor, beautiful area here, Texas homes. Okay, as we come up here, you can see we've got a really high entryway, just a gorgeous door. We're gonna come inside here. Ooh, that's a lot of house right there, guys. That is beautiful. We're gonna make our way right here to the left. We've got a full bath, tower tub, shower, single vanity, beautiful. We've got a bedroom here in the very front of the house. Look at that kind of cottagey look. The blinds are the wood blinds. Very nice. And then we come in here and we have the exact same bedroom on this side of the architecture ceiling. Very nice. Then we're gonna come here and we've got a really cool area. So this is our garage access and it is a 2-car garage. We've got a super cute mudroom, storage hallway, and look at this laundry room. Who gets excited about a laundry room? Me, I love it. Super cute. All right, we're gonna make our way here. One of my favorite things is coming up. So here we've got a double door study. Look at the light. And then I just want you to look out there. That's outdoor living. I'll show you that in just a second. But look at the beautiful office space here. Just lovely, glass doors. Then we come here to the right and we have a full bath. Shower only. And then we've got our bedroom here. Nice high ceiling, big walk-in closet. Very pretty. So let's take a look over here. And this to me is just awesome. This is our outdoor living space. Look at this. You can still see a little bit of snow, but look out here. Private area to enjoy outdoor eating. So pretty. And right across here, we've got our custom kitchen, walk-in pantry, gas, large cabinets, nice size island / breakfast bar, with a huge sink in the island. Look at this living area. So we've got our dining area, and back there we have a nice little sitting area for you to enjoy. Little bar area. We've got a covered patio out back. Very nice. I can get the door shut, there we go. And here is our living area. Our indoor living area. And then of course, right through there is our outdoor living area. Okay, so now we're gonna go see the primary, which is a massive, lots of lights, lots of windows. Look at this. Whew. First of all, you come in here, you've got a large walk-in closet. You've got your toilet area. Look at this shower. Holy bajolies. Look at this. Yeah, definitely a room for more than one. One vanity. Second vanity, lots of storage. Look at that. Beautiful. This home is gorgeous. This is Texas home here in Ventana. If this is something you want to take a closer look at, then give me a call. We can do that. 2,600 square feet. Starts at about high fives, about $590. Awesome. I hope that you've enjoyed our tour of Ventana neighborhood. It is definitely gorgeous. And if you feel like having these amenities and living out here in this open space is something that you want to do, then reach out to me. Let's talk about it. Let's plan when you're going to come visit it so I can show you all around. Can't wait to meet you guys. See you in Texas, y'all.